Alright guys, today my video is going to be shorter. I'm out with my grandpa fly fishing, and I don't think that we caught anything, but I hope you guys still enjoy and watch till the end. Alright guys, me and my grandpa are out here fishing Putah Creek again, and I have a little nymph tied on. This little copper one, about 8 inches to a split shot, because it's pretty deep out here in front of me. It's a pretty small split shot, but it allows my nymph to sink down a lot deeper. It sinks a lot faster. Just got here, so I haven't been doing any fishing. Let's get on some fish. By no means am I any good at this. I won't say I'm terrible, but I won't say I'm super good at it. I've only been fly fishing I would say 5 or 6 times. So I'm just learning how to do it. So if you guys got any tips, I'd like to hear them in the comments. I actually just got a stick. Any tips you guys have about fly fishing? Any videos that may be pretty good to watch? Can you guys just drop them in the comments? Really trying to learn and just grow as a fisherman. My grandpa is actually, you guys can't see him, but he's out that way fishing. So hopefully he gets one. I like it when he gets fish. Alright guys, I moved away from my grandpa a little bit. There was a guy who was previously fishing here and he didn't catch anything, but this looks really good, and there's not as much brush behind me if I walk out a little further, but I should be able to cast a little better, and hopefully we can get on a couple. I took the split shot off, so it's just the fly, and we'll see what happens. The last guy who was fishing here, I believe, lost his nets. I saw him go that way, so I'm gonna go journey over there and see if I can return him his net. Alright guys, I successfully found him and returned his net. And now I'm back to fishing. I have no clue where my grandpa went, but I'll find him. It's okay. And if I can ever get this fly out, hopefully I'll catch a fish. Came up to a new spot, so I'm actually gonna cut my fly off and put on a new one. I'm thinking, maybe we'll pull out my box of flies. I'm thinking the zug bug right there, the green one. Maybe, hold on, I have another box of flies. It's actually right here. I'm actually gonna go with this one. Dang, I dropped it. Let's see if I can find it. Got it. We're actually gonna go with this one. I'll get it tied on and I'll get back to fishing. I started to get a good cast over here. I was letting out a bunch of line. Get that line out there. And getting a decent cast out. I just whipped something. The problem is I can't walk out far enough to cast that other bank. And that's probably where the fish are hiding. So I'm probably gonna go find my grandpa and see what he's up to. The whip sound was the sound of me whipping my fly right off my rod. So I'll also have to tie on a new fly. Alright guys, we moved spots further downriver. And I got a black zebra midge tied on. And it's a lot more shallow, so we're gonna try and attack the other side. And hopefully we get some fish. I have journeyed from over there, this way, through some deep water where I was almost waist deep with some current that, even though it doesn't look like there's much current, it's pretty strong. And now I let out, over here fishing this bank. I got it in the current. I let out all my fly line, nice and slow, so my fly could float all the way along this bank. And now I'm just holding it to feel for any bites, and I'm slowly reeling it all in. Still got the black zebra midge. Honestly, I don't know how long we're gonna stay out here, probably a little while. But I kind of feel like I'm hoisting in some sticks or something. So I'll update you guys in a few minutes. There's my grandpa just fly fishing away, taking a little bit of a break. I'll let you guys know if he gets one. Alright guys, so the video ended. There should be a video popping up for you guys to click on, and there should be an icon for you to click on to subscribe. Stay tuned because I'm going to be posting a few more videos, because I actually going out to the lake and we're going camping, so stay tuned for the videos here to come.